Progress is happening fast and AI seems like it's taking over. But if you don't keep up, you're going to get left behind. Now, listen to what I have to say so that you know how to use both of our worlds together. At the moment, our society is living through a huge change. You know, English learning used to look like books and classes and audio tracks and homework. It was a labour and it was hard work. Now learners can access AI tutors, instant correction, conversational practice, custom lessons, even 24-hour support. And that is remarkable. I find it incredible that we're there. But what does the future really look like? What do you think will happen? Will teachers actually disappear? I hope not. I'll be out of a job. Will schools disappear? I don't think so. I think we need schools to carry on. Will everything become easier? Not exactly. It's changing. It's not replacing. So here is what I actually believe about AI. But what does the future really look like? What do you think will happen? Will teachers actually disappear? I hope not. I'll be out of a job. Will schools disappear? I don't think so. I think we need schools to carry on. Now, the future belongs to the learners that combine it all together. Use all of those tools. Use the old ways, the books, the dictionaries, but also use AI. Technology gives us the speed and human experience gives the depth. You need that connection. AI gives convenience, but it's the real people that you connect to that make a difference. Apps can give you structure. Life can give you meaning. The smartest learners will use both of these worlds. Sure, a teacher can guide you, and that's what I'm trying to do. AI can support you daily. When I'm not there, you can ask your AI a question or get an answer that you need. That combination is incredibly powerful. And here's another exciting change. Learning is becoming much more personalised. So instead of just buying a book, you can actually start at your level. You can put in your own interests. You can talk about things that you like at your pace. And you can make mistakes without being judged or criticised. You just repeat and repeat until you get it right. And this makes progress faster and, of course, a lot more enjoyable than taking home those papers all scribbled out in red. But do remember this, no technology can replace curiosity and no tool can replace consistency. No app can replace effort. The future is bright, but the learner will still matter most. And that's good news for us. We're not going to get taken over by robots, but we have the power within us to speak English as best as we can. I thank you a lot for joining me in this series. I hope it's been a help. Do keep learning smart and keep learning steadily. Remember that consistency really, really matters. And keep believing in progress. It is possible and you will become the English speaker that you want to become. I guarantee it. I'll see you very soon.